Hello everyone, how are you all? Are you a banking aspirant? Do you get stuck while solving complex puzzles and sitting arrangement? Or you don't even know how to start a question? Or are you wondering how I will be able to solve puzzles and arrangements? Finally, you are here at the right place. Your search ends here. I will tell you my secrets that how I became pro in solving complex puzzles and arrangement questions in a most effective and efficient way. So, are you ready? So let's get started without wasting any time. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel BANKERHAIHUM. So the question comes, how to be a pro player in linear arrangements? This session is all about questions related to linear arrangement, but in the later sessions we will also discuss questions related to circular arrangements, square arrangement, triangular arrangements and complex puzzles like flat and floor puzzles, 8 boxes puzzle, 10 boxes puzzles and so, right? So let's just get started. What do you do when you see this kind of questions appear to your screen, right? Either you rush or you just try to note some of the conditions, or you try to have the information related to question. What you should do, right? The first question comes, what you should do. So the answer to this question is, you should first read the question. You should have the information that what actually the question is trying to say. In our situation, the question is conveying to us that there are 8 friends. It is talking about 8 friends, right? These are the names of friends. They are made to sit in a linear arrangement. Till now, some picture gets clear to our mind. As you can see, these are the 8 positions that should come in your mind where you will make this person sit, right? As of now, please avoid the directions that all of them are facing towards the south direction. Please avoid this. Consider that all the persons are facing towards the north direction and they are made to sit in a linear arrangement, right? So till now what are we having? 8 friends. These are the friends, linear table, and all the friends have cleared different examinations. So these are the names of the examinations. Just for your clear understanding, what I have done is I have divided it into 2 rows. In the upper row, I am going to place the name of the person, for example STUVW and whatsoever the name is. And in the second row, what I am going to fix is the name of the examination that these guys have cleared. So these are the name of the examination, RBI, LIC and so, SSC and so, right? This is just for your understanding, but in the real examination we are not going to be making any kind of boxes. In the real examination, what are we doing? We will just make this kind of arrangement, 3 2 4 5 6 7 8, this kind of, and we will start solving that. As suppose he has cleared RBI, so we will fix like that in the real examination. But as I am trying to make you clear that what is happening, so I have made a clear boxes and arrangement so that you have a clear view of what is actually happening. So let's just start the question. First thing you did was, till this line you grab the information what you are required to do, you know that. Now what is the second thing we need to do? The second thing is you have to find the data, concrete data, the fixed data, the rigid data that you can fix. For example, if I say Mohan sits at the end, so where can Mohan come? This is the place where Mohan can. I say that Mohan sits at the right end, so Mohan can definitely come at this position. This is the right end, right? There is no other place that Mohan can go, so I have to find this kind of data that are fixed, right? So let's just scheme the question. Scheming hardly takes 30 seconds, not more than that, right? But you will get a lot of information in scheming, right? So let's just scheme. There are 3 friends sit between S and V. I don't know, they can come anywhere. Z has cleared RRB, the friends were okay. As clears AB, Y sits immediately after the one who's cleared Q, and the one W sits now. The one who cleared the UPSC is an immediate neighbor of the one who's cleared SBI. Okay, I don't know. V does not sit clear to. Okay, the one who sits at extreme end has cleared RRB. Okay, wait. This line, the one who sits at an extreme end has cleared RRB. It is talking about the person who has cleared RRB. Also, I have seen RRB somewhere here. Z has cleared RRB, right? So who is the person? Who is the one? The one is Z, right? So it is talking about Z. Z, who sits at an extreme end, has cleared what? RRB examination, right? So this is Z. Z, who sits at an extreme end, has cleared RRB. So where can Z come? where Z can come, what the hell I am talking about, Z can come either at this position or Z can come either at this position. These are the only two places where you can put Z, right? Now see, V sits third to the right of the one who has cleared RRB. Again it is talking about the people, a person who has cleared RRB, right? So it is talking about Z. V sits third to the right of Z. Ultimately this lines mean V sits third to the right of the one who has cleared RRB. So Z has cleared RRB. So V sits third to the right of Z. So can you put V here, Z 1 2 3 third to the right? So we are getting out of the box, right? So it is not possible to put Z at this end. So where can Z come? Z can come at this end, definitely. Z will come at this end. Z has cleared RRB. V sits third to the right of Z. 1 2 3. We will come at this position. We are done with V, right? Let's just try to find out data related to V or any kind of stuff, right? Okay, have a look at this line. There are three friends sit between S and V. So V 1 2 3. Is it possible to put S anywhere? No. V 1 2 3. Yes, it is possible to put S here, right? So we are done with S or S as well, right? Have a look at this line. S has cleared SEBI. So S has cleared SEBI. We also get to know that S has cleared SEBI and we have fixed it, right? Any other line? X does not sit near to you. The immediate right of the person who sits at an extreme end has cleared SSC. Okay. So is it talking about this end? It is talking about the person who is sitting at the end, and the person to the immediate right of the one who is sitting at the end has cleared SSC. So is it talking about this end? No. The immediate right will take you out of the box. So which end it is talking about? It is talking about left end. So it is talking about, ultimately it is talking about Z, right? So Z's immediate right, this place, this guy has cleared what? This guy has cleared SSC, right? This guy has cleared what? This guy has cleared SSC. Done, sir, done. We are done. And also you can see RRB, who is an immediate neighbor of Y. What does this mean? That this is RRB. Where can Y come? Y can come at this place only. So till now, just by scheming, we are able to fix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 to 8 data we can fix just by scheming, right? Try to find out data related to RRB, Z, Y, SSC, V, S or SEBI. So here I see one thing, that it is mentioning you that the friends who have cleared RBI and SEBI sits together. Have a look at this. RBI and SEBI can come together, right? So this is SEBI. Where can RBI come? Can RBI go at this position? No. You will get out of the box again. So where can RBI come? RBI will come at this position only. This is the only place to put RBI, right? The guy who has cleared RBI will come at this position. Again, we are done with it. Okay, this line is also done, right? Now see, what are we having? Have a look at this line. Y sits to the immediate left of the one who has cleared IBPS. Okay, so you have already fixed Y, right? So where can IBPS come? It is provided you that IBPS, the guy who has cleared IBPS, is to the immediate right of Y. Y is sitting to the immediate left of the one who has cleared IBPS. That means IBPS is the guy who has cleared IBPS will sit to the immediate right of Y. Common sense, right? So IBPS will come at this position. We are done with IBPS as well. Okay. Now what is the thing that is left? Now what should we do? Okay. So let's just find data related to any of the point that we have fixed already. Is there any data provided with that? Let's just try to find out. Is there any data? Have a look at this data. U and W sits together, but none of them have cleared what? RBI examination, right? U and W sits together, but none of them has cleared RBI examination. So this is RBI U and W sits together, but none of them can come at this position, right? By this line it is clear. So there is you are required to place U and W together, right? And you are required to have two boxes together where you can put U and W together, right? So have a look at the situation where is the two box empty where you can put U and W. These are the only two boxes where you can put U and W, because U and W cannot come at this position. So U and W will definitely come in this position. So I am just writing it like U oblique B, right? U oblique W, right? Done. In this line it is telling you that W has not cleared UPSC. So wherever you are putting W, just make sure that this guy has not cleared UPSC, right? X does not sit near to you. Okay, X is not sitting near to you. Done. The one who has cleared UPSC is to the immediate right of the one who has cleared SBI. V does not cleared SBI. It is again providing you the information that SBI, V has not cleared SBI, right? So you cannot put SBI, but it has provided you one more thing related to SBI, that the one who has cleared UPSC, the guy who has cleared UPSC is sitting to the immediate right of the one who has cleared SBI. So you are required to put SBI and UPSC together, and these two boxes are empty, and UPSC should be right of SBI. So can you put SBI here? No, not possible. These are the only two empty boxes where you can put SBI and UPSC together. So SBI, UPSC. Now have a look at this condition. W is not the guy who has cleared UPSC. So can you put W at this position? No. It will contradict our condition. So where can W come? Now W will come at this position and you will go at this position. Done, sir. Done. We are done with half of, even 70% of the question we are done with it, right? Now have a look at this. X does not sit near to you. X does not sit near to you. So can I put X here at this box? No, not possible. It will contradict this statement. So where can I put X? I will put X definitely at this position. So who is the guy I am left with? The only one guy I am left with. Try to find out who is that guy. T is that guy, right? So T will come at this position. I have already made the arrangement of the persons, the friends, right? Now I only require to put the one name, and that is one examination. This is LIC, right? So I was left with LIC, and I have put all the arrangements as it was trying to say to me, right? In the question, whatever it is trying to say to me, I have made the arrangements. So Z is the guy who has cleared RRB, Y is the guy who has cleared SSC, and so and so. Now you will say that we have avoided the directions, na? Let me just show you one magic. And what is that magic is? Let's just consider this is the linear arrangement, right? This is your linear arrangement. This is the sit. Now if I say that the guy, this is the guy who is facing north direction, right? So he is facing north direction and this direction is towards upward. What I am trying to say is, let me just make you clear. This is upward direction, right? And this is your linear arrangement, and here is the guy sitting in the linear arrangement. So here is the guy facing upward direction and he is facing north. What will happen if I twist it like this? Is he facing south now? No, he is still facing the north, but the direction, the arrow has gone downward. Earlier it was upward. He was facing the north direction, right? If I twist it like this, if I twist the whole arrangement like this, what will happen? He will face down. He will definitely face down, but he is facing towards the north direction. Only the arrow changes, right? So if I have made the arrangement where all the persons are facing towards north direction according to my arrangement, but in the question it is conveying to you that all the persons are facing towards south direction, what you are required to do is, this is the arrangement, just flip it over like this, right? Just flip it over like this. So what will happen? Let me show you that this Z is at this position. If you will flip it to, if you will flip Z to this position, Z will come here. I don't know whether it is visible to you or not. I am coming in between. Let me just erase it. If you flip this, Z will go at this position, right? Z and then y will come at this position, x will go at this position, v will come at this position, and so, w, u, t and s, and z has cleared RRB now, so RRB will be coming at this position, right? Then y, SSC, SSC will be coming at this position. The whole arrangement will flip like this. Still they are facing in the south direction as well, right? Just for your better understanding, I have made the arrow upward, right? This doesn't mean that this is the only north direction, as in the question it has told you that all of them are facing the south direction. So consider this as the south direction, right? Consider this as the north direction. Consider this as a south direction and consider this as the north direction. If this is the south direction, just flip it over. Now it goes downward and the north direction is upward. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Direction doesn't matter, the arrangements matter, right? To try to arrange them first and then play accordingly according to the directions, right? Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you have any query, do comment. I will definitely reply to your all the queries, and I would just like to say thank you to all of you. Do visit my channel again and always keep smiling and keep working hard. Destiny is yours, right? You are the creator of your own destiny, so keep working hard.